Hey guys, what's up? It's Jacques. Just got this new 512 electric bike. Been waiting on it for a minute, so just gonna do a quick unboxing now and try and get it set up so I can go for some rides. Here. No, first thing, color is fucking phenomenal. Like actually, this color is crazy. You know, it's kind of weird. It almost looks more like this kind of shade of gunmetal versus like a true bronze, but like I really like it. Like actually, and during the day, like outside in natural light, it's probably just beautiful, beautiful bike. This is actually the first time I think I'm seeing the new seat, and the stitching actually matches the color. I'm just noticing that now. This is actually really cool. Nice. Oh, that's actually really cool. It's a nice touch. Red note. Damn, this is a beautiful box. Dang. Now this is actually really, really cool. I like this. The number and everything, number 59. It's a nice key too. Yeah, now see this is actually gonna go on my desk in my home office. That's for sure. Oh, this is actually really cool. Just finished putting this wheel on. Had to kind of cut the camera and have a buddy help me out. Lift the bike, make sure I didn't scratch or damage anything. As much as I did like the black a lot, because even in the beginning I was trying to decide, I even remember this, so it was originally between the black and the green. But this, now in person, this is 100% the best one. Let's peel this plastic off. Yeah. The regular person, this seat, I don't think they're gonna have a problem. That's my take. Like actually, I don't see how this is gonna be uncomfortable for people at all. Like I like the seat a lot. Now the bike is pretty much done. Overall experience putting it together, not difficult at all. Again, with a front wheel, you do it like that. The rest of it is super easy to tighten everything. They include the Allen wrenches with the bike, which is awesome. You're not scrambling, not having what you need to actually put it together. Did it in what, like, realistically, the build time maybe like 10 minutes. Like I think, if that. Like actually, if you're sitting there putting it together, it's really quick. So no, super easy, good experience. Like I had nothing to complain about putting the bike together at all. Like, this is super easy. Easy. Battery goes in real easy. Not the lightest battery, but you get a lot of good charge and a lot of good performance out of it. So like, it's not heavy. Also, by anybody when you mind the battery itself, putting it in now, it's not difficult. It's pretty easy to get it out of there. That's what I would say is like the shape. You would think it's actually not that easy to get the battery out, but it actually does come out pretty easy. See? First startup. There we go. You see the battery's good. About 3.5 months in now that I've had the bike. It's been running incredible, no issues at all. Goes just as fast as you would think it would. First thing I did also was upgrade to having an actual phone holder here. You definitely want that. If you drop the phone while you're riding this, you're definitely cracking it. Mirrors are awesome too, so I'd recommend those, but honestly, bike runs perfect, no issues, brakes are good, even now after all the miles. The only thing I would say that I've heard is like a little droning noise with the brakes, but that's just because I need to bleed them. That's not actually a manufacturing problem or anything like that. And it still works perfectly fine too. But just something people may notice. But otherwise, no, the bike's been beautiful, awesome on the bumps, seat's been comfy. So yeah, definitely recommend getting this bike. It's worth every dollar.